Morning. Why is it gotta be cold outside again? We're gonna start off the day by feeding the cows. It is a little muddy out in the pasture, so we'll see how this goes. I'm not gonna go very far into it to feed them, so. Just coming into the pasture right now, and we got rain 2 days ago, and I put out a lot of hay bales that morning so I didn't have to feed them yesterday. It ended up working out pretty good because today the ground seems to be a little frozen, so it got really cold last night, so that's helping me out. We're not going to be leaving trails out here in the pasture, which is really good. They're getting after it. I think it's going to warm up today. It got really cold yesterday, but the 2 days before it was really nice. Me and Jared got quite a bit of stuff done, so I'll probably run you guys through what we did those past few days, and we'll go from there. Commented to put some water on their cat food. Makes it easier for them to eat it, and they've been loving that. So the only problem is the mama cat will get in here and eat it. So I put out quite a bit of food today, and they're at least testing it out. Yeah, you being vocal? Yeah. You can clean yourself. What do you think? I should have probably brought you guys along over the past few days, especially since it was just me and Jared. Dad's still on vacation, but things really haven't slowed down. I'm on my spring break, and Dad's on vacation. The only thing that could be getting done that's not being done is Dad could be bulldozing, but Grandpa's doing that. We actually need to go check his terraces and make sure that they're up to spec. Right now I'm gonna head over to Grandma's. She's got bugs on the front of her house, and I've got some bug taming juice, and it'll make it where the bugs don't move. Also, those bugs have been going through her front door. I think it's Asian beetles, right? It's not Japanese beetles, is it? I think it's Asian, because Japanese beetles, they just like climb in trees and destroy trees and stuff, don't they? I think it's Asian beetles. So I'm going to go ahead and take the 8040 here in the discavator and move it and kind of get it out of the way. It's not sitting here in front of the shop. Also going to make sure all the tire pressures are right, because that tire looks a little low, and I think we had to air up that tire to get it out of the shed. So I'm gonna get everything aired up to spec, and if we have any tires that go down again before it's time to rock and roll, we'll get them off and get them fixed. So yeah, we'll go ahead and hop in the 8040 here and get it closer to the shop. It's cold, not very happy. It's a good thing I started this now, because that's no bueno. No bueno. That is not taking air, so this tire's shot anyway. All the rest of the tires look good. Yeah, I'm letting air out of this tire because I just pumped it up way too much, but that tire's shot. All the rest of the three here for the running gear are pretty good shape. Honestly, I think they're only 1 year old, so this is the last tire that needed to go, and it's already no good, so it needed to be taken off. So I'm probably gonna get this resituated, hopefully up here on the concrete pad. We're gonna take it off, and I think Jared this afternoon is gonna go get a new tire, because he's got some other things he's got to go run and do. So yeah, good thing I looked at that. I don't know about those tires, which really they're not normally that bad. I might still unfold it here and check them and get them aired up just to make sure. Gotta take out the wing locks. They're really hard to do one-handed. Lost my glove. Wing tires are all good now. So I'm gonna fold it up, put the pins back in the wings. And I'm gonna get it positioned better on this concrete so we can take that tire off. Yeah. Not really what I was expecting to do, but that tire needs replaced anyway, and might as well. We're checking terraces. I've got the idiot stick. Jared's running the level, and we're making sure Grandpa's built these terraces. They're gonna drain right into the riser. This is one big long terrace. It's got multiple risers in it, so I'm waiting for Jared to move again so I can keep going. Yes. Pretty terraces. Me and the idiot stick. It is really windy. Really windy. Now that the wind's blowing a bajillion miles an hour, let's take this tire off. No bueno. And look at that. We already got one nut that's not very far on. So we'll see how good that is. And it's leaking air out of the deal. No good. Should I start with the one that's about to come off? Or the one that didn't get screwed in very far? I guess I'll start with this one. That's it. Oh, I'm 105. Oh yeah, that was just like butter. This tire's not too fat. Got that tire taken off and put in the back of the truck. Now I'm gonna unfold the drill here. I'm gonna try to get it positioned. I'm gonna pull it out and then back it in here. It's always something. Looks like we got a loose piece of tin. Isn't that wonderful? We're in the 90-20 now. I've already got all my stuff I need for the drill in here. But I'm gonna flip the drill around in the shed and unfold it so I can get to the tires. I got a few tires that, well, need repairing. And I'm gonna move some tires around as well. Well, I got the tractor flipped around. It is super windy outside. And just got back from a side quest helping Myron fill up his truck with soybeans. We're at the bottom of a bin, so about to kick the sweep on. We almost got to the point we had to flip on the sweep, so I had to get in the bin for a little bit. But we're gonna be moving some tires around on my drill. Got some tires that need to be fixed. So this tire right here looks really good, but it's not holding air, so we're gonna go get it fixed. And I'm actually gonna move one of those front tires, which I'm kind of getting set up to do. Take off that turf looking tire and move it back here, because 2 years ago Dad was in a rush, went up to the tire shop and they put on a tire for him, and it's a 4-ply tire. Like, that tire is it's really just junk. And that tire doesn't hold air really well either, but it does all right. And it also doesn't hold as much air, or it's not as high of a PSI tire because of the ply. So I'm gonna move it out on the wing because there's not that much weight on the wings, especially back here. There's not even that much weight either on the back of the wing. So I'm gonna move that tire back here. All the rest of the wing tires stay up. Even though they don't look the greatest in the world, they all stay up. All these tires, all the rest of the wing tires look exactly like this because of going down the road. this tire right here wears on the inside because of riding in the middle of the road. It has a lot of weight on it. So normally after 1 to 2 years I have to move that tire somewhere else. So that's why all the wing tires look like that. But yeah, that tire isn't holding air. I think we're gonna get a brand new tire on this one. The tire right beside it is brand new. Already got it up on blocks, just had to back that one up on blocks. The front duals, or the front tires, are a little bit harder because they swivel, so I'm gonna jack that one up to get that tire off. Move that turf tire there. I want to get that tire fixed again, I guess, because it's already been fixed once because they've marked it. But yeah, I don't know. Should we put slime in these tires? I don't know if it really works that great because it's just bean stubble. I think that's why they get holes in them. Yeah, my El Cheapo Walmart jack really wasn't a big fan of picking up the drill, which I should have known that because it's only like a 4-ton jack. So, man, the wind's blowing. We're gonna try the 12-ton Harbor Freight version. Isn't that better than Walmart? I'd say they're probably at the same level. Both junk. Actually, I like that little Walmart jack a lot. These bottle jacks, I don't like them. It's nice getting them up, but sometimes getting them out of there is a pain. That's more like it. So that tire is gonna go right there because this tire doesn't want to hold air, and it's already been fixed before, which is wonderful. And this tire right here doesn't want to hold air either. There's another one off, and we're ready for this one. I'm gonna take this one off, and then we're on with this one. And yes, this is my trusty jack. Piece of wood. I lifted up the wing, I set it down on the piece of wood, and we're all set. So we got 3 tires we can take off at the exact same time. I feel like I've done this before. I have. Quite a few times. The only thing that sucks about this jack is it doesn't go up and down. So putting the tire on sucks because it's high up in the air. Come on, come on. Oh yes. Meh. Oh yeah. Once you get one on, you're set. So it's got that lip all the way around it. I really don't have to hand tighten it, but let me out. There we go. Fun stuff. You get the gist. There we go. All done. Pretty excited about this year with the drill. I added these little plastic pieces to the end of the seed tube. Had been going a few years without them, so I got all brand new ones. Supposed to help with keeping the seed in the seed trench. So we'll see how that goes. I think these are going to help quite a bit. But yeah, put all new ones of those on. And also got some of these yellow wheels. Pretty interested to see how they work this year. I hope they last just as long as these OEM wheels, because these look like they're going to be a heck of a lot easier to change the bearings out on them, because it's only four little bolts, whereas these have like 8, and there's like a bunch of plates. You got 2 plates, and then you got the rubber that goes around, and it's really a pain in the butt to take them apart and put new bearings in them, whereas this I think is going to be really easy to put a new bearing in. So I'm really excited about these wheels, and hopefully every wheel I get brand new from here on out is going to be those wheels, because those are actually cheaper than the OEM wheels, and they look like they're going to be a lot better than the other ones. I hope so. I really hope so. I don't care that they're all yellow. It'll be unique. It'll be fine. Thought you guys probably want to watch me struggle to get the tires in here.